Right, from 2020, we've got the Christmas Wreath 2-in-1. And I made a slight mistake with this because it is brand new. I'm going to do it as a brand new unboxing thing, but I forgot. And just took it all out there. I've just sorted it all out. All the bags are here. So I've just taken it all out and then forgot that I was supposed to be unboxing it. So that was very silly of me. So here is the box as well. 4042, there it is, let me see. 40426, and it is 2-in-1. We've got this one we can make. But Short Brick Woman has asked me to do this one so we can use it as some sort of table decoration. So we're going to make this one. As I say, I've just opened all the bags and sorted the colours out and forgot to show me unboxing it. But it has, as I say, that we've just done it, but I forgot. Idiots. So yeah, I don't know how easy this is to make or quick it is to make, as I say, because this is a new one. So let's have a... It's the first of the Christmas ones. It's a new one, I think. I've got a new penguin to make as well. And I remember to actually open the box live and not open it and forget and start filming afterwards. Right, so let's make sure we like this video, please, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Okay, so here are said instructions. Let's move a space. Didn't think that out very well, did I? Right. The last one I did try getting the instructions in the shop because that might be quite interesting. So let's see if we can do that. Right. What are we doing here? Right, so it's one of these medium nougat, I think they are. And then is there another one of these brackets? I thought there'd be more red bricks than this, but come on, where are you? Well, this is a good start, unless I've emptied one of the bags onto the floor. Right, well, let's carry on then without that bit. Good start. Oh, that's going to go on top of there. Oh no, it's got the right way around. So it is that way around. And then a yellow. Okay. And white 1x4 on top. Where is that piece? That's ridiculous. Oh, I can see it now. Phew. It was probably only going to be on the floor if it wasn't there anyway. But there we go. I don't know what's going on here anyway. Right, we've got loads of these in dark tan, which is next. Okay. And a dark green 2x4 plate in the middle. A normal green 1x2 plate. Looks like that. And then one of these 1x4 slope plates over the top. And then what have we got now? A 2x4 wedge, isn't it? That way up. And then a 1x4 plate. Okay, that's what that bit is to start with. Right, we've now got to make 15 of these next ones. So let's just put that one to one side. Okay, it says here, look, 15. 15 at the top, 15 at the bottom. So, should we make 15 all in one go? Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to want... Let's clear some space. Well, actually, it's going to go this way, isn't it? Right, so one. Let's make one and then copy the others at the same time. So we'll do that. Okay. It's a yellow. It's a white. And then it's two of these. Then it's that on top. Well, let's get as far as that. Let's make another load of those. Right, here we go. So we want... Another one of them. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. Is it 15? Oh, not many then. Talk amongst yourselves. Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Oh, we can count, can't we now? Right, let's do it 3 rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 1. Oh, loads down here. Look, hiding down there. 1, 2 of those. So how many got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, another one. That's going to be number 7. Okay, and 9. 10. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's all of these, then, isn't it? 5 of those, and we want 10 of the little green brackets, then, don't we? 2. Come on. 4. 6. Oops. Powers are excused when we step out. It was Officer Bird. It wasn't, it was me doing an impression. Right, and we've got one more of these. Where's the other one? There it is. Okay. And then the hinge brick has to go that way around. Okay, so that's imperative, that, because I'm guessing they won't all link together otherwise, so I'm assuming that's what they're doing. Oh, so as I'm saying that, I put it the wrong way around. And again. Right, the locking fingers bit goes on that left side. There we go. Okay, another one. Another one. No, wrong way. That was the wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. No, wrong way again. A yellow plate and a white plate next. I don't know why they need to be yellow and white. Okay, so yellow. Yellow. Come on. Oh, got them stuck together now. It's handy. Get you on there. Yellow, yellow. 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 I don't know why these all need to be yellow. It's one of the classic lots of random colours under the surface type sets, isn't it? I mean, these could all be just black and green and red, couldn't they? Really. But no, we've got all kinds of colours there. Okay, and then we're up to whites. On top of these next, white. White. Let's keep going. Well, it seems to be going quite quickly. I mean, I'm guessing we didn't use all the bits, do we? I mean, it's not... Well, maybe, I don't know. I thought some might be left over. You can't make both at the same time. You can only make one. But I don't believe every single piece of this is going into each wreath. There's got to be some leftovers in each one, I would have thought. But we will find out. There might be every single brick in use here. Right, now all these brackets in dark tan are going on. Okay, let's just do a green one over there, just because I found one. Okay. No, another one. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, we're doing this quickly. Oh, wrong way. I can't be sure. If you just link this together and then stick the greenery on the top, that's got to be it, surely, isn't it? It shouldn't be that big a deal. Because it's just that and then some candles on the top, I think. Which look quite easy to make with a couple of round bricks on top of each other. Ta-da, another one. Okay, still going. Right, here we go. Come on, this is the last 3 now. 2. 2. Oops, he's fallen over. Right, so we've got now we've got our 1x2 green plates. Go on top of each one. Okay, these have all moved over slightly. I'll move the camera. There we go. Okay. Try and get this done quite quickly today because I've got to start getting ready soon because it's Short Brick Woman's Christmas staff party tonight. And obviously I'm a guest. It's free food and drink all night, which will be fun. Right, I want one more. Oh, have I lost a green plate now? No, I haven't. It's stuck to a bit of plant. Okay, now it has the green slope over the top. Lots of those. Here you go. I'll lay these down actually, they're pissing me off. I keep falling over. It's easier. Yeah, 1, 2. Keep going, keep going. That's a mouthy little twat the other day, put a comment on it that just went blah blah blah. So that's funny. So I went and did the same on his channel, which was very mature of me, wasn't it? But just, you know, what else do you expect me to do on this? I'm just talking about anything and just building this. I mean, what else am I supposed to talk about? Read fucking Hamlet or something, you know? Could just do it in silence. That'd be even worse, wouldn't it? Well, possibly. I mean, you've got that choice anyway. Just turn the sound off. Right. My whining over there. Let's get on with it. 2x4 plate in the middle. Always remember the name of this. 3020 is its code name. 2x4 plates. Again, we didn't call them plates when we were kids. It was a. This was a flat 2x4, I think we'd call it. Or no, we call it a flat double 4, I think we'd call that. So that would be a flat 4, and that would be a flat double 4. So I'm sure people have their own names for things when they were younger, until we had to conform to Bricklink. It's easier, isn't it? We all know what we're talking about. Okay, and last ones then. Wedge and 1x4 plate. Let's do this together. Let's do it together if we can get it on there. Okay. That's 2. 1, 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 of these done now. That's 5. Sugar knobs. Another one. How many is that now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nine. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. If you're getting bored, at least you can fast forward. Sorry, I'm just going blah blah blah, aren't I? Which is a track by Gigi D'Agostino as well. Right, 15 of those then, there we go. Right, and we're linking them all together. I don't know what's different about this red one in particular, but anyway. So, I'm doing that the wrong way, aren't I? So it's that way. Okay, and then that looks right, isn't it? Yeah, so then it curves inwards like that, I see. Right, okay. Then we'll see if we actually did it the right way and actually put all of the things on the right end. So we can, oh, it's quite big actually. Oh. Actually, isn't quite as big now. I've put it on the floor, on the table. There we go. I don't like the middle one has to be red like that. There it goes. Right, that's all right. That's kind of there. Let's put it with that red bit at the top anyway, because it might be important to have it that way around. Okay, well, instructions have got it slightly to one side, haven't they? Look, so let's lay it out as the instructions. Okay, little black bracket here, and 2 of these leave bits like that. Okay, like that, and then also just stick that on there like that, apparently. There we go, okay. Oh. Now we've got to make 14 of those, but with the green base. Right, okay, let's do 14. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's have 7 of those then. Then we want 14 of these. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. And again, 7 of these. If I'd have known it was so much repetition in this, I could have probably got some of these sorted a bit earlier, but as I say, it is a new set, believe it or not. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again 2 for each of these, so 14 of these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Right, let's whack these together very quickly. So what it is, it's just, it's that on the floor, table. So put that like that, and then like that. Just sort of push them together. Keep dropping that. There they are. So let's make loads of those. Here we go. That's 2. We've got to do 14 of them, so that's 2. Count along with me. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I wonder if the other one was quite as tedious to build as this, but it looks worse. It looks far worse. There's a great big red bow on it that looks quite interesting, but it looks a bit more technical than this, and therefore probably a bit more tedious, if that's possible. Imagine something more tedious than this. Friendship breakdown on Judge Judy, apparently, at the moment. If you heard that, you might not have done, but I did. And later today, he just said as well. Oh, no, he didn't. It was something else. But he does say that, the voiceover guy. The people are real. The cases are real. He says that as well. Dante. What name is that? We're suing for damaging a van, apparently. Well, that's 14 of these now. And okay, and these go, where are they going? Okay, they seem to go in the middle there like that. So there we go. Put these in. Zips. So yeah, hello to Brick and Brit if you're watching. I'm just probably put that name wrong now. As I've said it, I thought, is it actually Brick and Brit? Brit and Brick? Is it Brit? I've gone mad now. I kept thinking the name in my head, and the more I thought of it, I forgot what it is. Brit and Brick or Brick and Brit? Whichever one it is. Hello. I forgot. I was overthinking it there, but hello to you anyway. Right, keep going. It's got a rather elaborate toilet seat at the moment, isn't it? For a very small arse. Yeah. Well, how have we not managed to get all of these on here? What's happening there? How are we missing one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What the hell's going on here? Oh, I made a bollocks of it, that's why. Alright, well, what we can see is the mistake I've made is I was supposed to make one with a black bracket to go opposite the one at the start. So that's my mistake there. So I shall remedy that very quickly. Here we go. I do excuse me, it's the first time I've ever built this. Well, that's only an excuse. I was doing one earlier and I still got it wrong. And I built it before. Right, those need to be black, those brackets apparently. So that's what it looks like. That's what those slices of cake. Okay, now one of these green leaf parts I can't see, there it is going to go, there. Oh, it's got to go right down there like that, pointing that way. And now, one of these white ball things goes on the top there. Obviously mistletoe this, isn't it? Don't see much mistletoe anymore. A shame. I think people are scared I was approaching a bit of mistletoe getting done for harassment, aren't they? So they probably don't dare. I went up to a girl at a party a few years ago actually with some mistletoe, and she refused to kiss me under it because she didn't like where I was wearing it. That one in there. And this one in there. Is that right? It's getting quite complicated now. I also keep knocking bits off there. I managed to get that dirty already. That's better. Every time I touch that, I knock that off. Right, so this looks like the first bit, and it's going to be that all the way around, kind of, isn't it? But it hasn't told us to do 15 of them. It's sort of doing it in random steps, so I'm assuming that means each one's kind of a little bit different. So we've got one of these with a pearl gold flower on it, and then just one without anything on it. And it seems to be, we miss out this one, and then looks like that. That's about right. Yep, I think that's right on that one. Oh, another two. Right, one more. There, one more there. So we're going to go sticking that one out that way. That one out that way. And then right at the top on there. Like that. Next is just two of these brown little round plates for holes in. And they go across there apparently. Don't know. Yep, so we now spin it round, miss one out. Okay, this one now has that across there. One of these footballs. And then again a gold, pearl gold flower on there. Is that right? Yep, next one has one of those little leaf bits and, oh, a little tile. There's like a little tile slope. So this one we're putting there. And then that is going on. Well, I did that wrong. Yeah, it doesn't go on the top, it goes on there. Okay, so then I now go like that with my slope. Like that. Right, now 2 of these. With the gold ones definitely at the top this time. And it's going out like that. Okay. And one of these sort of carrot tops, I think they are. And then it's going in the middle, like that. And this carrot top goes through that. The middle piece like that. Okay. Next, another one of these, like that. And another gold going on this side this time. And another one without anything on it. So we're moving it around again, leaving a space. Nothing on that one. We're going here. And here, like that. Is that right? Yeah. Another football, another leaf. Judge Judy's going to throw everybody out, she just said. One like that. There's somebody parking outside my house for some reason with a very loud stereo. I can hear the dogs are interested in that now. Not even coming to my house from the look of it. So I don't know why it needs to be outside my house. Let's have a look. No, it seems to have buggered off somewhere. That's nice of him then. Okay. 2 more of these leaf things. Big ones like that. One of the little leaf bits, like that. And another football. Goes on there, on the top. And this time we've got... Where are we going now? Well, we've done that one. We've got to put this there. And we'll move on to the next one, which is going there. And there. Is that right? That doesn't look quite right. No, because I put the wrong one, am I? I'm not paying attention. Next to that one, that's right. I have to focus on this and get distracted by people parking outside, don't I? Well, that's going on there. And we get another little one. Right, so let's move that round. I'm putting that one here. And now another one. These ones on its own. Okay, and 1, 2. On there. Okay, we've got a missed one. I'll go around to that one. Dogs aren't very happy about us me parking outside. Next one. 2 more of these. Find it. And then the gold is going on there. I just put completely wrong piece on that because again I wasn't paying attention. Right. There we go. Unlock that. Oh, apparently 2 more reddish brown plates on there, those sort of rounded cornered ones. Another football, another one of these, going right at the end this time. Another gold flower. On there. Okay, I have to remove a space. Put that one on there. Apparently. Slope and a little flower. No, a little leaf. So I've got to put that on there. And then another. It's going up there. 2 gold flowers. 2 of these standard leaf things, plant bits. Both these are having the gold flower at the top. And to go in there and there. Okay. And one of these brown roundy bits, like carrot tops. Where's that going to go? Just across there. No. In the middle. That's it. And then carrot top in there. 2 more. Okay, got to leave a space here and go on to this one. And it goes like that. I'm almost all the way around now, but it's obviously not finished. 1, 2 more of those and a football, which goes on that bit. Is it going to stick on there? Okay, that's going to go there. And then there. 2 of these are going to go there. Cross there as usual. Okay. Okay, and then we carry on. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these, I think. So okay, we've got to go on these brown parts. We've got to do this. 2 of these plates with bars on the side. Shut up. 2 in there. 2 in there. 1. Gonna move that. 4. Shush. 8. 3. 3. Just shush.
Excited today.
Just slightly. 2, 3, 4. I'm making 2 of those. That's why I've done that wrong. Not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 5. 6. Where's the other ones? Where are they gone? 2, 7, 8. Ronnie, shush. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, okay. That's right in there. And then, is that right? Is that right? Yes. Oh, candles, right. How many has this got then? 5 of these. And 1 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apologies to the noisy dogs, but they do that when people come home. Don't you? Move that round. There's 1. Okay, next one. This one got 4 on it, this one, for some reason. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gone down a bit. It's been on, it was lit before this one. So that's still going. Perhaps somebody blew that one out earlier. Because it was getting on their wick. Right. Oh, this one's got 3. It's going down even lower, this one. 3. One of those. One of these with a hole in. No flame. That's for the flames blowing the same way to make it look quite normal. Right, we're going that way to the right. Then how many has this one got? Oh, it's got 2. That's weird. Why are they all? Oh, maybe it's because it's Advent, is it? And they've. Well, it should be different colours if it's actual Advent, shouldn't it? But maybe that's the reason they were lit at different times. Come on, there we go. Going that way. And we've now got to make 8 of these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 of these. 1, 2, where are they going to go? They go on that bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 5, 6. Yeah, 7, 8 down here. You can't see. That's definitely 8. Okay, and then what we do is we clip it either side of the candle. Okay. Oh. There it goes. So on the candle there. Okay. Okay, another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Oops, knocked a bit of holly off there. Not holly. Mistletoe. Oh, now I've knocked a bit of holly off. The berries. Last bit. Thought I'd knock one of those off. Looks loose. Got that on. Right, last clip. On here. Oh, hello, let's put it in a bit nearer. Okay. Let's just need 6 of these. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. What for? Oh, is that so you can, so you can make them the right height as everybody else, right? Okay, is that right? Probably. Let's make them all the same height then. Right, that looks like it could be it. And a brand new unboxing of 40426. We made number 2, the standing wreath. Not the one that goes on the door. And there is a lot left, look. There it is. Okay, that's the table one. And we've got quite a bit left over. That's obviously for hanging the other one up, isn't it, I suppose? I'm not sure I'd trust that to be that strong. Okay, and there we go. It's all done in about 40 minutes then. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Still got some more Christmassy ones to come. And that's it. Christmas wreath 2 in 1.